Hi everyone, my name's Lyssa and I'm the Maker Lab Guide for the Georgetown Library of the Allen County Public Library. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the CNC machine. CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control. And in this machine we have a spindle and what we call a spoil board. So a spoil board is where we're going to be placing our stuff to engrave. And today we're going to be engraving a luggage tag. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this off. Now I've already done some prep work and I put double sticky tape on the back of my luggage tag. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on here, line it up with the edges, and then I'm going to take my hot glue gun and go around. And this is to keep it from shifting left to right while it's being engraved. All right, so now that I've got the hot glue on there, I can put my shield back on. And then I can come over here and tell it to start engraving because I've already got my file set up. So you can see this one is partway through and you can see it's very similar to plaques on trophies. So you could do a similar thing with other materials that we have here. Now I'm going to put this back on and I'm going to let it finish. The CNC machine uses a special software for this one in particular called Bantam Tools, and you can design things for it in Adobe Illustrator or Inkscape so long as you save it as an SVG. It will also read a whole host of other ones, but SVG is the most common one we see in here. Any vector editing program will allow you to make designs that can be milled on the CNC machine. The CNC machine will mill aluminum, soft brass, Delrin, linoleum. We've actually done linoleum in here to make some stamps, and a lot of other materials. You can contact us to find out more information.